What does a home care provider do? A home care provider is someone who provides in-home care to seniors who need assistance with activities of daily living, such as bathing, grooming, and dressing. They may also provide medication reminders, transportation, and light housekeeping. Home care providers can work for a home care agency, or they can start their own business. They may also choose to work part-time or full-time. How much does a home care provider make? The pay for home care providers varies depending on the position, hours worked, and geographical location. The average hourly wage for a home care provider ranges from $10 to $16 per hour. However, this can vary greatly depending on the position and experience of the caregiver. The annual salary can be anywhere in the range of $19,000 to $31,000 per year. What are the requirements for becoming a home care provider? There are no specific requirements to become a home care provider, but most providers have some experience in the medical field or are certified in basic life support and first aid. What are the pros and cons of being a home care provider? The pros of being a home care provider include being able to work with flexible hours and the ability to make your own schedule. The cons include working long hours during a shift, and you may need to be available on short notice. If you're interested in becoming a home care provider, there are a number of things you can do to get started. First, you can reach out to your local home health agency or senior center to see if they're in need of providers. Second, you can check out online job postings or classified ads to find openings. Finally, you can create a profile on caregiver services websites.